In today's lesson, we are guessing the animal and fun facts. What farm animal produces milk?
It's a cow. Female cows produce milk as a result of being pregnant. Dairy cows must give birth to one calf per year in order to continue producing milk.
What is the largest sea animal?
It's a blue whale. Blue whales are the biggest animal on the planet, weighing up to 400,000 pounds.
What is the tallest animal on Earth?
It's a giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest animal, standing 16 to 20 feet tall and weighing up to 3,500 pounds.
Which animal is from Australia?
It's a kangaroo. Kangaroos are indigenous to Australia and New Guinea.
Which is a farm animal?
It's a sheep. Sheep are the earliest animals to be domesticated for agricultural purposes. Sheep are raised for fleece, meat, and milk.
What insect does a caterpillar become?
It's a butterfly. There are 4 stages in the metamorphosis of butterflies: the egg, the larva, the pupa, and it becomes an adult.
Which animal sleeps during the day?
It's an owl. Most owls are nocturnal birds, which means they sleep during the day and they need 12 hours of sleep.
Which is the largest land animal?
It's an elephant. The African elephant is the largest land animal on Earth today and can weigh up to 13,000 pounds.
Which animal is from China?
It's a panda. Pandas are native to central China and live mainly in temperate forests high in the mountains of southwest China.
Which bird can swim and goes quack?
It's a duck. The duck is adapted for swimming on the surface of the water by having their webbed feet.
Which animal glows in the dark?
It's a squid. Squid uses a strategy called counter-illumination to disguise themselves from predators below.
Which animal lives in the Arctic?
It's a polar bear. Polar bears live in the Arctic, on ice-covered waters. Polar bears rely on sea ice to access the seals that are primarily their source of food, as well as to rest and breed.
Which one is an amphibian?
It's a frog. Amphibians live both on land and in water, especially cold-blooded vertebrate animals such as frogs.
Which is a favorite pet and breathe through their gills?
It's a fish. Instead of breathing air, fish must get their oxygen from the water. This process requires large volumes of water to pass through absorption surfaces to get enough oxygen into their bodies using their mouth and gills.
Which sea animal is intelligent and playful?
It's a dolphin. Dolphins live in a complex social group and have evolved to have highly developed brains. They're notoriously talented, they're quick learners, and they demonstrate self-awareness with problem-solving skills.
Which animal eats bamboo?
It's a panda. A panda's daily diet consists of entirely leaves, stems, and shoots of various bamboo species.
Which animal is from Africa?
It's a zebra. Zebras live in East and Southern Africa. They usually live in treeless grasslands and savanna woodlands, and are absent from deserts, rainforests, and wetlands.
Which animal lives on land?
It's a tortoise. Tortoises are turtles that live on land and aren't equipped for water, as they do not have streamlined shells or flippers.
Which animal lives in the Middle East?
It's a camel. Camels are domesticated throughout desert areas in North Africa and the Middle East.
Which animal lives on the farm?
It's a pig. Pigs are raised on farms, live in environments that are designed to help farmers meet their needs and use as livestock.
You can subscribe.